How to start a garden. Growing more than just plants. What if I told you that a small patch of dirt could change your life, lower your stress, improve your health, and remind you that even the smallest seeds can become something beautiful? Have you ever dreamed of walking outside and picking a fresh tomato, a handful of herbs, or colorful flowers that you grew with your own hands? In a world filled with screens, noise, and constant stress, gardening offers something rare: peace. But many people never start because they think gardening is too difficult, too expensive, or requires a lot of land. The truth is, anyone can start a garden. Whether you have a large backyard, a tiny patio, or even a sunny windowsill, gardening is less about having the perfect space and more about taking the first step. Today, we're going to explore how to start a garden, why it matters, and how growing plants can help you grow as a person. Why start a garden? Gardens have been feeding families and communities for thousands of years. But a garden offers more than food. It offers hope. Every seed planted is a reminder that growth takes time. In a world that demands instant results, a garden teaches patience. You can't rush a seed. You can't force a flower to bloom. You simply nurture it and trust the process. And maybe that's a lesson many of us need today. Step 1. Choose your garden space. The first step is finding a location. Most vegetables and flowers need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Look around your yard, balcony, porch, or window. Ask yourself, where does the sun shine the longest? Is the area easy to reach? Can I water it regularly? Remember, you don't need acres of land. Many successful gardens start with a few containers on a patio. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is simply to begin. Step 2. Start small. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is planting too much. Excitement can lead people to create giant gardens they struggle to maintain. Instead, start small. Maybe grow tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, basil, mint, marigolds. A few healthy plants are better than dozens that become overwhelming. Success builds confidence. Confidence builds bigger gardens later. Step 3. Prepare healthy soil. Think of soil as the foundation of your garden. Just like a house needs a strong foundation, plants need healthy soil. Good soil should be rich in nutrients, loose, and easy to dig. Able to hold moisture without becoming muddy. Adding compost is one of the best things you can do. Compost turns kitchen scraps and yard waste into valuable nutrients for your plants. Healthy soil leads to healthy roots. Healthy roots lead to healthy plants. Step 4. Pick the right plants. Not every plant grows well everywhere. Research what grows best in your climate and season. For beginners, some easy choices include tomatoes, green beans, cucumbers, radishes, sunflowers, zinnias. Choose plants that excite you. If you love salsa, grow tomatoes and peppers. If you enjoy cooking, grow herbs. When you plant something meaningful, you're more likely to care for it. Step 5. Water. Consistently. Water is life. Too little water can stress plants. Too much water can damage roots. The key is consistency. Check your soil regularly. If the top inch feels dry, it's usually time to water. Morning watering is often best because it allows plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. A simple routine can make all the difference. Step 6. Be patient. This may be the hardest step of all. Gardens don't grow overnight. There will be days when nothing seems to happen. You may stare at the soil wondering if those seeds will ever sprout. Then one morning, you'll see a tiny green shoot breaking through the ground. That moment feels magical. It's a reminder that growth often happens beneath the surface before anyone can see it. The same is true in life. Sometimes your greatest progress is happening when it feels like nothing is changing. Step 7. Learn from mistakes. Every gardener makes mistakes. Plants die. Pests appear. Weather changes. Sometimes crops fail. But failure doesn't mean you're a bad gardener. It means you're learning. Even experienced gardeners lose plants. The difference is they keep planting. Every season teaches something new, and every mistake becomes a lesson for future success. The hidden benefits of gardening. Many people start gardening for food, but they stay for something deeper. Gardening can reduce stress, Encourage exercise, improve mental health, connect families, teach responsibility, build patience, increase appreciation for nature. A garden becomes a place where worries slow down, a place where life feels simpler, a place where you reconnect with the natural world. Gardening and hope. There is something deeply powerful about planting a seed. You place something tiny into the ground and believe that one day it will become something greater. That act alone is an expression of hope. You don't see the roots forming. You don't see the growth happening underground, yet you trust that it is. Many dreams in life work the same way. Success, healing, growth, purpose. Often, they begin as seeds that require faith, patience, and daily care. Conclusion. Starting a garden isn't really about growing vegetables or flowers. It's about growing yourself. It's about learning patience in a hurried world. It's about finding joy in simple things. It's about discovering that life still creates beauty when given time and care. You don't need to know everything. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need perfect conditions. You simply need a seed, a little soil, and the courage to start. Never underestimate the power of a single seed. Every towering tree, every beautiful flower, and every abundant harvest began as something small. Your garden is a reminder that great things grow one day at a time. So plant the seed, trust the process, and remember, sometimes the most beautiful transformations begin beneath the surface, where no one can see them. Keep growing, keep believing, and never stop planting hope. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell.